If ChatGPT is showing this message, something seems to have gone wrong. Don't worry. This issue usually happens because of weak internet, VPN, or private DNS, or when ChatGPT servers are busy. So if you want to fix this problem, just follow these simple steps one by one. First of all, check your internet connection. Turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds, then turn it off. Now open ChatGPT again and check. Now second step, if you are using any VPN, open the VPN and turn it off. And also go to your phone setting and check for private DNS. In my phone this setting is not available, but if you see private DNS on your phone, make sure it turned off or set to automatic. Private DNS can block ChatGPT and cause this error. Next, open the Play Store, search for ChatGPT, and update the app if an update is available. Using the latest version helps avoid these errors. Sometimes ChatGPT servers are down or under heavy load. In this case, the issue fixed itself automatically. Just wait for some time and try again later.